Are you looking for the best PC cases with RGB lighting? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lion LIPC 011 Dynamic Razer Edition. If you are a fan of Razer's products, then look no further for a PC case with RGB lighting than the Lion LIPC 011 Dynamic Razer Edition. Not only does it boast impressive airflow and a stylish design, but the RGB Razer logo looks absolutely incredible and will make any build stand out. The Lion LIPC 011 Dynamic Razer Edition is perfect if you plan to use water cooling to keep your gaming rig cool, as it comes with enough room for up to 3 radiators up to 360mm. This offers the best cooling possible, making it ideal for even the most powerful gaming build. Match the RGB lighting on your Lion LIPC 011 Dynamic Razer Edition with the rest of your Razer products using Razer Synapse 3. It allows you to choose from multiple lighting profiles or separate unique lighting profiles for your RGB computer case. At number 2. HYTE Y600. Supporting ATX motherboards, the HYTE Y60 has been designed as the star of the show. It offers panoramic views of the inside of the case, allowing you to marvel at your rig in all its glory with RGB fans, RAM, and more. While it doesn't include any RGBs, it is the ideal shell to build upon. The HYTE Y60's antechamber design means all your cables can be tidied and tucked away out of sight. This doesn't obstruct airflow, keeping your PC looking stunning while remaining cool. Included, there's a PCIe 4.0 riser so you can vertically align your graphics card. And, despite being made from tempered glass, the HYTE Y60 isn't too heavy to move if you need to relocate it, unlike the Thermaltake Level 20 MT. At number 3. Thermaltake Level 20 MT. The Thermaltake Level 20 MT is a stunning RGB case, beautifully displaying 3 pre-installed 120mm fans in its tempered glass casing. Using the I/O port button, you can adjust the LED lighting using 27 different modes with varying colors and patterns. Inside, there are 6 drive bays for your HDD or SSDs, a built-in PSU cover, and support for mini IDX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards. But aside from all of this, you're getting an affordable case that's durable, stylish, and shows off your RGBs. The only thing that really lets the Thermaltake Level 20 MT down is its size and weight. Moving this beast will likely need 2 people since it weighs over 14 pounds. Add your PC components to that, and it will be heavier than a small child. Still, once it's in place, you'll be hard pushed to find a tougher case at this price point. At number 4. Corsair ICUE 4000X. The Corsair ICUE 4000X might not be the most extravagant RGB computer case when compared to other similar cases. Still, its simplistic design makes it an excellent choice for building a performance gaming computer with ease. Thanks to the built-in RGB fans on the front of the case, it might be simple, but it looks incredible. When it comes to building a gaming computer with incredible airflow, solid cable management is key to great performance. This is where the Corsair ICUE 4000X excels. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system routes most cables through a single channel around the back of the case, offering premium cable management and optimal airflow. Shifting the focus to RGB lighting software, you don't get much better than Corsair's ICUE software, designed to work hand in hand with your other Razer products. This allows you to sync up all of your devices, including your Corsair RAM, or make separate lighting profiles for each of your components and accessories. At number 5. NZXT H710i. The NZXT H710i is a stylish PC case that comes in a choice of colors and designs to suit everyone's tastes. With an incredible cable management system, you can make the perfect gaming computer without any unsightly cables in sight. Built with SGCC steel and tempered glass, the NZXT H710i isn't just a stylish RGB computer case, it is a solid one too, with great air filtration to ensure the case remains cool while extending both the life of your computer case and components inside it. For those who want to really show off their hardware, the NZXT H710i features a vertical GPU mount, letting you make your GPU the showstopper of your new gaming computer. At number 6. Fractal Design Torrent. The Fractal Design Torrent not only boasts cool RGBs, but it's also been designed for optimal airflow. Included are 5 large fans that will keep your PC cool, making it worthwhile the investment. However, you'll need to set aside a few hours and prepare for a long and fiddly build, since cable management will be a lot more difficult in this case. To access the inside of the Fractal Design Torrent, there's a tab you'll need to pull in the top right-hand corner, but it's easy to find and pops off easily. On top of the case, all your quick access ports are available, including a 3.5mm jack, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a USB-C port. Although this is pretty standard across most PC cases, it's worth mentioning as some premium cases tend to forget the essentials. The Fractal Design Torrent is ideal for ATX motherboards, with clearance for a GPU up to 413mm long. There's plenty of space for cooling, including large liquid coolers and fans. And although there's ample room for cables, powering the RGBs is where things get tricky.